Hey, what's up guys? Mike Guitar is back with another episode of lesson for today guys. I want to shout out to my new subscribers. I want to shout out to my old subscribers. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate that. Thank you for tuning to the channel. I really appreciate it guys. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for subscribing. For today I want to do some lyrics breakdown on some gospel songs, some gospel songs, how you can improvise over worship songs that are going to sound better and sounds good already, okay? Many gospel songs that you guys might be familiar with, how you can improvise it to sound good and sound better, okay? So, but if you know that this is the first time you're watching me on this channel, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this, guys. So, if you like the video, at the end of it, you can smash the like button. If you have any challenges, you can hit it on the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible, okay? What's up, class? You want to have a personal lesson, one-on-one lesson with me, I'm very clear on understanding, okay? You can hit me up on WhatsApp with this number on the screen there. You can hit me up, okay? I will give you the reply. I'll reply you as soon as possible, okay? And if you know that you want to be my YouTube premium member, okay, I post and I give out some premium videos to my YouTube members, so people that join my YouTube members. So if you want to be part, okay, you can subscribe with any amount. I have prizes, start of prizes there you can subscribe on, okay? I just give you video based on your level of playing, okay? So guys, just want us to go through the video. Let me explain some things to you guys to understand, okay? All right. So let's do the video in the key of D. This is the key of D. The key of D. Okay, that is the key of D. Okay, so I want to show you two advanced licks, okay, that could play that to sound better, okay, in your worship section. Stuff like this. The number one is like this. Okay, so this licks like this comes when you are on your one chord. So what I'm playing there is a sol la do, okay, but I hammer on from the sol la to the do. I teach you on how to make some hammer on, so you need to learn how to hammer on your notes. Then I hold my re and va, slide to the mi so, okay. Then I strike the two notes at once. Okay. So when coming back, I play only the third string there, which is the mi re do. Okay. Okay, so what I played there is so I repeat that same note here. So, re, do. So, re, do. Okay. So I made a slide there. I made a slide and a pull on. Okay. I teach you how to do a pull on. All these stuffs are good when you're improvising. So you need to learn all these stunts to make your playing sound professional. Okay. So that is the number one. So the number two, I'm going to show you. You can play something like that. So this part now goes in when you are on your, when you are going to your, maybe your saw. Okay, you can play. So what I'm playing there is a Ti do ti la ti so, Ti do ti la ti so. So now see, listen to how I'm playing it. So I'm making some hammer runs. Okay. Then I slide to the T again. T saw. Okay. So that is the number two lick. So the number three licks you're going to apply when you are when you are playing over a worship song, going back to your, maybe your la or do or saw again. You can play something like, okay. Okay. Do ti so. Okay. Then I pull on from the mi re do la do. Okay. So those three licks could sound better when you are improvising on your worship section, when you're on your do or your saw or your la. Okay. Okay, so maybe you can, let's say you are playing songs like this song. Yeah, light of the world, you step down into the blue. Open my eyes, let me see. Beauty that is adore. Oh God, and light everything. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow. Here I am to say that you my God. For all together worthy, all together worship, all together wonder, aren't you near? Okay, so maybe you are playing a song like that. You know the song, Here I Am to Worship by Hasten. Okay, so you can play something. Light of the world. So when you are on your do, you can play something. Light of the, you step down. So when you are going to saw, you can play. Okay. You step down into love. Open my eyes, let me see. Then you can play. Now you're coming to your word. Okay guys, so I believe with this video going to help you and improvise and also improve your playing skill over worship section. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.